guys, welcome back. It is fall officially, and we are doing a couple of recipes here that are great for cooler weather as things are cooling off. Hopefully where you are, it's cooling off. Here in Phoenix, we're still in triple digits, but it looks like that's probably going to end this week, and maybe next week we'll just be in the 90s. So it is cooling off, and today what we're going to do is we're going to do a hot snack. This is one of our relatively newer products, and this is our soup mix, and this is a protein soup mix, and it is shockingly delicious all by itself. But we're gonna have some fun with this here this fall, and this is the first of many videos to come using this. We're gonna do everything from breadsticks to soups to savory breads and rolls. Oh my gosh, the list is so exciting. But anyway, we're gonna use this, but before we get started, I just wanna take a moment and really let you guys know how much we appreciate all the comments and all the shares and all of the likes on the videos. That helps our channel out so much, and we appreciate that so much. We do pay attention to all of those comments, so please let us know what you've enjoyed seeing here on our channel, what maybe you'd like to see more of, or if you have any questions or requests, let us know that too, so we can get those handled for you in upcoming videos, because I mean, we do make these videos for you after all, so we'd love to know what you would love to see. Awesome, thanks. And we do post a new recipe video here every week, plus additional videos featuring the Herbalife Nutrition products that we're personally using here in our family, how we're using them and why we're using them. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell so you never miss a newly uploaded video. So with that, let's go ahead and get this mixed up. You guys, this is simple. I'm almost embarrassed to do a video for this, and I'm not trying to show you how to do something you don't know how to do. Just getting your creative energies flowing. And this this soup mix is such a wonderful addition, especially this time of year, to our plans, because a lot of times we come in the evenings and we want comfort food, or we want savory foods, or we want something a little bit richer. And this is really gonna fit that bill. Super clean, 15 grams of protein, and again, we have those 21 essential vitamins and minerals, meaning essential meaning your body has to have them and it can't make them. So those nutrients have to come into our bodies through what we're eating. So this is gonna have you handled super clean, good source of fiber. It's not made with dairy, and it does have fresh herbs in it. So when you see the little bits of green floating around in there, that's the fresh herbs, and it just, you can tell that it's fresh in here. It tastes absolutely delicious. So what we're also going to use today is I just have a bag of frozen vegetables. You can use any combination of vegetables you like. One of the things I love to do with this soup is to use leftover steamed broccoli or leftover steamed carrots. Frequently we'll use some leftover chicken to plop in there and make it a little more soupy. I don't have any leftovers right now. I'm not sure how that happened, but the refrigerator's kind of cleaned out. So I just pulled out some frozen veggies. Again, it's not any earth-shattering ideas or anything. I've already heated those up so they're not frozen anymore. They're already hot. And but like I said, clean out your fridge. Put anything in there you want. I've had people put sausage in there, put pepperoni in there, which I've never tried, but I mean, I can imagine that it would taste pretty good. So anything you have left over in your fridge you want to put in your soup, totally do that. If you want to have it as a soup you can eat with your spoon, or you could just put nothing in there except for the soup mix and the water, like the instructions say, and have yourself a cup of soup to drink. It's absolutely delicious. And you can control the richness or the thickness or the thinness by how much water you put in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with probably about 10 ounces of water. So just a little over a cup of water. I've already gotten this heated up. I'm just gonna put it in my mug. And then we're gonna use 2 scoops here. Let me put this down just a little so you can see a little better. So we're gonna use 2 scoops of our soup mix. So we're gonna put that in there. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. 1 scoop and 2 scoops. And guys, I use my frother with this sometimes, but honestly, it dissolves and mixes so well with just your spoon. I think for the purpose of demonstration, I'm just gonna use my spoon to stir this up. So just get it started. And once that water gets hold, it dissolves so nice and so easy and so fast. Okay, I'm not doing a time lapse at all here, just so that you can see how nicely that dissolves. and we're done. Okay, so now, and look, you can see those fresh herbs in there. So good. Pretty sure those are chives and parsley. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna dump our vegetables in there and stir those in. And now you have a delicious hot cup of soup. Oh, so good. And if you had some shredded chicken or some leftover any kind of meat to put in there, so good. This is actually going to be, I'm actually going to have this as part of my dinner tonight. So that's really all there is to it, you guys. I hope you enjoy. I love it when things start to cool down, even though it never really cools down here for us. I can remember what it was like when we lived in the Midwest and we wore hoodies and jackets and socks and long pants and stuff. So I hope that you're being able to experience that and it's not too cold or uncomfortable. And I hope that a nice cozy cup of hot protein soup is just the thing that you're looking for. And thank you so much for joining. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.